Welcome to another great pre-owned vehicle deal from DrivenCarsCanada.ca. Reconditioned with the best auto parts in the industry, Napa Auto Parts. This vehicle, like every DrivenCarsCanada.ca car, truck, or SUV, comes equipped with premium brakes, pads, and rotors, which will stop 30% sooner than mid-grade brakes. Because at Driven Cars Canada, we have your safety at heart. It has also been treated with Drive Pure, an antibacterial that kills 99.99% of the germs left by the previous owner. Because at Driven Cars Canada, we have your health at heart. This vehicle also comes with no dealership administration fee. Because at DrivenCarsCanada.ca, you do not pay any dealership administration fee ever. Period. Yes, you guessed it. We also have your finances at heart. In this train of thought, if your credit history isn't absolutely spotless, don't worry. Our finance experts will help you find the perfect solution so you can get approved easily. And if you're already driving a vehicle, great. We'd love to buy it from you and pay you the maximum amount of money possible so you can use the trade value to get the driven car of your dream. Look, we understand you have many options to buy your next pre-owned vehicle, but at Driven Cars Canada, we believe the customer comes first, not second. Yes, you come number one. A customer is a friend, and we believe in having a lot of friends. We offer honesty, not flattery. We talk straight, not in circles. We believe in helping you, not selling you. Click the link now to get more information about this vehicle and get pre-approved in minutes from the comfort and convenience of your phone or computer. We believe you deserve reliable transportation, so be a driven driver at DrivenCarsCanada.ca.